Hi, I'm Adam from YoYotta, and in this quick tip, I'll show you how to access beta builds of the YoYotta app, as well as the release notes for each build. Let's get started. Open the YoYotta app and click on the cog icon at the top of the UI to open the preferences. Under Software, ensure Use Beta Software is ticked. Click off the Preferences window to close it. Click on the YoYotta menu item and select Check for Updates. The software update window will open and prompt you to download the latest build. Click Install Update. YoYotta will download the latest version and prompt you to install and relaunch. Click Install and Relaunch. The app will install and then reopen. If you ever want to find out what new features have been added to a specific build, you can access the release notes by clicking on the YoYotta menu item and selecting Release Notes. A pop-up will appear in the app and you will be able to see the release notes for every build of version 3. Click the question mark icon at the bottom of the UI to close the Release Notes window. If you want to revert back to a release build, click the cog icon at the top of the UI to open the preferences. Untick Use Beta Software and then click on the YoYotta menu item and select Check for Updates. The software update window will open with the last release build and prompt you to download it. Click Install Update. YoYotta will download the latest release build and prompt you to install and relaunch. Click Install and Relaunch. The app will install and then reopen with the latest release build of the software. And there you have it, how to access beta software and release notes for YoYotta.